So hello my IQ members. So in today's video I'm gonna explain you all about the previous code that we have done in Taro C++. So as you can see on the screen, this is a basic syntax of a C language. So in this video I'm going to teach you step by step. To understand, include studio.h and include conio.h. These are the header file. I will explain you by the with an example. So as you can see on the screen, I have given you the definition, but I don't want to give you that definition. I will give you a simple example that it will be easy to understand you. As you can see, include means it's including something. Is the first line I want to say, means include studio.h. Studio.h is a library that it is including in a C language. So I'm giving the example that suppose you go to the school day to day. So in a day-to-day life, you go to the school every day with a bag. What what things you carry inside your bag? The things you carry in the bag inside your bag is the pen, pencil, book, and whatever you needed in the school that you carry inside your bag. Suppose someday you might forget a bag to carry, then you are not able to access your pen, pencil, and books and copies in your classroom. In the same way, you have a bag, then you can access your pen, pencil, copy, whatever you needed. Otherwise, you don't have your bag, then you can't access these all things. So in the same way, include studio.h and include conio.h. It is your bag, and printf, scanf, getch. It is your copy, pen, pencil that you are going to use inside the main function. These are the compulsory that you have to include in your C language. If you don't include, then it's give you error. In same way I've given you the example. So in practically I'm going to show you that if you don't include studio.h and conio.h, then it's give you error. Has include studio.h is a compulsory header file that you have to include while writing the C language, and include conio.h, it is not a compulsory that you have to include. When you are using the Taro C++, then you have to use it. Otherwise you are using the online compiler or any other software, then you don't need for the conio.h. So now let's see the return type in a main function. If you are using the void main, then you does not have to write the return type. If you are using the int main, then you have to write it the return type, and if you are using the main, then it also requires the return type. So after that you can see clr scr. So this clr scr and get ch I will show you by the practically. By practically you can understand easily, and by explaining you can understand that what I'm trying to say you. So I will show you these two by practically. So as you can see, the printf is a predefined function. As I have told you the in example, that is studio.h, it is your bag, and printf, it is your book or a pencil. You can take example. So if you don't include studio.h, then you can't use the printf. Suppose in a if you using the printf and you are does not including the studio.h, then it's give you the error. So whatever you want to print on the screen, you have to write inside the printf. The main thing you have to notice that if you are using the number, then you does not have to start with a quotation, open and close quotation. If you are using the string, means a character, then you have to start with the open quotation and close with the close quotation. As you can see on the screen, hello world, first it's opening the first quotation. As you can see, after writing the hello world, as you can see the semicolon is defined by the full stop that you are. So in upcoming video I will tell you what is the that open and close bracket. It is a function. So it's the first video that I don't want to go in the deep. So in upcoming video I will tell you what is a function and what is the use of it.